So, hello. Push. So, I'm going to be making Biscoff biscuits cheesecake today. My mum's not going to be doing anything today. I'm going to be the one making it. She might speak or whatever, but I don't know. So the first thing I'm going to do is so obviously you need the things. So you need, I'm not sure how big this is to be honest, but I've got 2 packets of biscuits, 3 chocolate bars, butter, cream, double cream, you need double cream, and full fat cream cheese. I couldn't find, so we went after us, never had any, so I got this. And then I went shop again and then bought like a bigger family pack. So you need obviously full fat cream cheese. You can use any brand, but you've got to have full fat cheese, cream cheese. So first I'm gonna get the white chocolate. I've got it from Aldi's. You can get any brand or whatever.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं व्यूअर्स? आई होप आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे और खैरियत से होंगे। आज मेरी बेटी चीज़ केक बना रही है, तो वो रेसिपी देगी आपको। अभी इसने वाइट चीज़ जो है वो तोड़ दी है, सॉरी वाइट चॉकलेट तोड़ दी है उसने। मेरी बेटी मुझे आंखें निकालती है, अम्मी गलत बोल गई। तो वाइट चॉकलेट तोड़ दी है, उसके बाद उसको मेल्ट करेगी। क्या करोगी इसको?
I'm gonna melt it, but you're gonna have to set aside for 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and melt it.
कितनी देर के लिए लगाया है?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
You could have it when it's melting. But now, get your biscuits. Whatever biscuit you want, but I like these biscuits and they taste nice, so I'm just gonna make cheesecake with them. So I'm gonna put these
जार में डालो ना बेटे।
put it on. So you gotta have a food processor. Food processor, and I'm gonna grind them, blend them, or whatever you lot call them. But there's just sugar on that. If you're using a bigger tin than me, just get more of the biscuits, like 2 packets or 4 packets, compared to the size you're getting, like obviously. I'm gonna take a few out before I put that in.
आ गया। तो आप बोल करके रखें और ऊपर से इसमें हो गया कर रही है पूरा पूरा ब्लेंड हो जाए तो उसके बाद बटर डालो। पूरा हो गया। इसमें दूसरे डाल दो बिस्किट्स। निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसमें डाल दो। उसमें पलटा लो प्लेटों में।
No, that. The other ones, the open ones. you.
जो मैं लाओ
Lisa.
मैं पकड़ाती हूँ।
So now I've got the chocolate that's been melted. You gotta let it sit for 10 minutes whilst you do like the butter. It's fine if you've like got left crumbs in it. I think, not sure about to check.
व्यूअर्स फॉरगेट करना, पीछे बी घूम रही है, उसकी आवाज़ बहुत आ रही है। शायद आप लोगों को भी आ रही हो, ये क्या हो रहा है।
You need to use unsalted butter.
सॉल्टेड भी हो जाए तो कोई बात नहीं।
No, it's not gonna go with it. It's better to use unsalted, but if you want to use salted, if you like a salty taste, just use salted butter. So I've got
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
now pour the butter in there.
तो व्यूअर्स बटर डाल दिया मेरी डॉटर ने इसके अंदर, अभी मिक्स करेगी।
This is for like the base, you know.
बेटे एक एंगल में इसको घुमाओ, एक एंगल में।
You don't need it too like watery in that.
थोड़ा सा करके डालना ना, ज़्यादा ना हो जाए। जैसे कोल्ड हो जाए तो जम जाएगा। Smell is very nice.
A bit too much, I can see.
अरे कहाँ फंसी है, इधर है। ये आवाज़ बहुत तो नहीं कर रही है।
Alright, now pour it into the cake
टिन
or pan, whatever you lot call it. You need to press it down, like you need to put a weight on it, so there's no like space in it or anything. Also, wash your hand. If you need to use your hand, then use your hand.
First wash and then do it your work.
Keep pressing it. Apply pressure.
Keep pressing, Kiri, keep pressing, keep pressing.
My mom's a, you can already see she's a joker. She's like
Joking all time.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the base before you like.
थोड़ी देर में फ्रिज में रखोगी ना?
No.
Why?
This is just gonna cool down itself. You don't need to put it in the freezer.
Okay.
And this is a no-bake cheesecake, so like it's even better because you don't have to like bake anything or cook anything. So now we put this aside because we're gonna make the cheesecake filling. So now it's for the like the filling part. So as I said before, you need full fat cheese, cream cheese. Okay, cream cheese. You can use a hand blender for this part or use a whisk. obviously we've moved house and stuff. So for now I'm gonna use a whisk.
Oh. Wow. ये कितनी थी?
This is 200 grams.
हाँ तुम्हें कितनी चाहिए?
I think 900 grams. But obviously, I'm not sure what my cake tins thing is. This one's 340 grams. So 900 grams, but obviously, how much ever your thing tin is. Then we whisk this and then I'll let you know if you need more or not.
हो गया बेटे सॉफ्ट होती जो भी होता क्रीम नहीं डालनी बीच में
Do you think so? Now you need to have caster sugar for this part. So I ended up adding the entire tub of Philadelphia cheese because, like, I wasn't sure if it was enough or not. Just see like how much you need and stuff. Because I'm not sure what your tins. Sorry,
1 minute. 1 minute.
Now add your white chocolate. So I got 26 seconds. I'm gonna pour that cream in. This cream is out of two.
नीचे लटका के डाल दो ना
Not all of it. I need to do a little bit.
थक करके लगा रही हो वाह बस हो यार बस कर
Okay, so I've mixed the whipped cream. When you do this, you need to have your cream's texture like this. You can't have it less watery, like how creamy like that. You gotta have this texture.
सोगी क्रीम होनी चाहिए
Yeah, puffy cream. When you do this step, you need to flip it in one motion all around till it's mixed it. And now, this is like, the Biscoff spread, you need Biscoff spread, but I didn't get it because obviously my family and that don't like it too sweet or like that biscuit-y flavour. That's why I'm just going to do this, but if you want to actually like do it the proper, just get the Biscoff spread and mix it in here.
उठा के ले आओ ना
Oh yeah. Now you gotta
Pour.
not pour. You can't pour it.
When?
What?
Slowly, brother.
Sister, you mean?
नहीं मेरा brother हो तुम. मेरा little brother.
So I think.
जी व्यूअर्स देखिए.
Let me do this.
मेरी बेटी डाल रही है और गंद भी कर रही है. आज इसने इतना गंद कर दिया. एक केक बनाया क्या और पूरा मेरा किचन क्या कहते हैं व्हाट द फ्लिप. ओ भाई साहब इसे टैप करो.
I know it there.
टैप करो तो बिस्किट टूट जाएगा. ओके माय लव.
Okay. He told me to do it, so I done it.
What?
I'm gonna leave this now. This is enough.
सारा डाल दो बेटे.
No. There's gonna be too much cheesecake filling.
तो क्या हो गया. चलो इसको पड़ा रहने दो. बैटर हम डिजाइन कर लेंगे ऊपर.
Okay, so you're gonna put this in the fridge for 3 hours now.
तुमने बटर पेपर डाला था नीचे.
No, you don't have to. Because butter लगा हुआ ना उसको already. The thing.
तो केक आप खाली इसी में निकाल के काटेंगे.
Yes.
तो खुलने वाला है. उसके साथ बेटे उसके वो यूज करो.
There's a chunk of white chocolate right there. Because it hardened. Because you know chocolate hardens.
रखोगी फ्रीजर रखोगी.
Yes. Let me do the sides. So like when I take the cheesecake out, it's just in one pot. My hands are clean.
Wait darling.
Okay, that's that. Now we've got to take it to the fridge and put it in there for 3 hours. So I'm making the biscuit spread. If you want, I'll tell you what I've put in it, but you can buy it from shops and. So nice that turned out, nice and smooth. You need a food processor for this, but if you don't have that, you can probably use a whisk, but it's going to take a lot of blending and stuff, and I don't think you can grind the biscuits as smooth as a food processor can. So it's better to have use a food processor. If you don't have it, then maybe a handle, whatever. This is the spread. Obviously, mine's a bit like watery. That's how I want it. But if you keep blending, that's how it is. But if you put it aside and stuff, it will thicken up and yeah. And it tastes exactly like the store-bought one. So all I used was cream, milk, sugar, and the biscuits. I'm gonna pour it into my cheesecake. Because obviously we never put any in the middle of the cheesecake. She's already thickening enough, you can see. And the cheesecake's been sitting in the fridge for overnight because we decided to leave it overnight because we was busy. So yeah.
So yeah.
If you have any left, just use a spoon and eat it because it's really nice. Right. Let this to set a little bit in the fridge and then we'll open it. And then my mum's going to do some decorations and I'm going to do some decorations to finish up this cheesecake. But if you want to leave it here, that's it. Just put it in the fridge for like a few minutes so the spread hardens up a little bit so we can at least take the cheesecake out. But if not, if you take it out, it's going to pour down. It will look nice and taste good as well. But
does it look like the coffee?
Yeah,
cake, coffee cheesecake.
It is. The biscuits are supposed to be like made with coffee and that. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit. But you can already see it's hardening up. It's not moving that much. It's just moving in these little bits. So I'll be back now. So now, as you can see, it's set. So I'm gonna take the cheesecake out. There. Hold on. Your phone's messing up.
Yeah.
It's not working. I've got phone working. My mum helped me take it out because I couldn't do it by myself. So there's like the excess that was like obviously the breading, and that was like thicker. So now it's like a proper same length. So now we're gonna decorate it. Yeah. So my mum's doing like flowers around there. This is from the like the cream we made yesterday. It's fine if it drips because obviously like it this is gonna drip. So we changed our plan. We're gonna do the sides because obviously the top bit is like not as stiff as the bottom. So the cream is like sliding down. So we decided to do the cream on the corner so we have like a border to put the other designs on top. I'm just like doing a little bit in the corners and stuff. Because obviously it's better to have a simple cheesecake than having like sprinkles and stuff like that. Because you get to like taste it more. If you get where I'm coming from.
Taste होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
शक्कर सूरत तो चलो होती है लेकिन taste.
Because that's just all gonna go in your stomach.
चलो. हो गया? Easy चीज़ लगा दी है इस पे. चलो अभी वो करेगा. वो कहाँ गई चीज़ें? सिल्वर लगाने beads या नीचे कौन ही.
So now the cheesecake has finished.
Has been done.
Yep. This is our like. Yeah.
Get aside.
She's mopping enough. Look at that cream fell. But just allow that because the cream kind of started going like not too stiff as it was. It started going like less because obviously when you whip cream and add sugar and stuff like that, it obviously softens down because it's made with milk, and that cream will go back to how the cream was, but not like the same. But that's the last product.
जी तो व्यूअर्स, मेरी बेटी का केक आपको आई होप पसंद आया होगा. पहली दफ़ा इसने ऑनलाइन केक चढ़ाया है. नहीं, दूसरी दफ़ा. पहले चीज़ केक, अब ये नहीं पहले चॉकलेट केक, अब चीज़ केक. इसकी दूसरी बार है. लेकिन वैसे मैं कहती हूँ कि बहुत नाइस है, मज़े का है, क्योंकि मैंने टेस्ट किया था, नाइस लग रहा है, खूबसूरत भी लग रहा है। तो व्यूअर्स, आप हमें दुआ में याद रखिएगा। इंशाल्लाह ताला आप लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और अल्लाह ताला आप लोगों को अपने हिफ्ज़-ओ-मान में रखे, आपकी सख्तियाँ तकलीफ़ें सब दुख दर्द दूर करे, और आप हमारे लिए भी दुआ कीजिएगा। और इंशाल्लाह ताला फिर मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।